Hello everyone, welcome to the session. In this session, we will see which all components or software are needed for developing or creating the ELK application to monitor the application log, or we can say server log. So here I have pasted one diagram. So this is the diagram from my last video where we discussed how ELK work and also explained this diagram. So for creating an ELK application, we need five things. One is the log file, which we want to monitor for, Filebeat, the Logstash, Elasticsearch, and Kibana. So we will see from where we can download these software. So here I have posted all five component. You can see the log file is the file which gets generated from the application, and for which we want to monitor the log using the ELK application. So here, and the second is the Filebeat. So this is the component or software we can download from official page. You need to go and paste here. You will see Filebeat. So this is the latest version. The latest version 8.2, and from here you can choose the environment like Windows or Linux, and you can download. Suppose I want to download for the Windows. Okay, and you can go and click on this zip file. So you will have this downloaded file here, and you can, okay, so this is how you can download. And suppose you want to download particular release, so there is a link here. You can see here, you need to click on that, and from on this page you can choose the version which you want to download of ELK. So here you can see the version. So the latest 8.2 are on the top, and then you can choose whichever version you want to download, and you can select like I want to 8.1. So you can go and download that. So this is how you can download the file bit. The next is the Logstash. So same way you can go and copy and paste here, and so the latest version 8.2, and you can select the environment Windows. You can download. Click on this, zip file will be downloaded. So I am showing one by one. So now is the Kibana. So here latest is the, so same way if you want to download a past release, you can go here and choose the which version of previous release you want to download. The page is getting loaded. Yeah, so here you can choose. Okay, so the next Elasticsearch, this is the last one, and you can go and download in the same way. So Elasticsearch, the same 8.2 is the latest one. You can choose the old one if you want, and you can click on this Windows, or if you want to change the platform, then you can, like I want to go for this, you can go. Okay, so just I have clicked on Windows. It is getting downloaded. So this is how we can download the software. One thing we need to keep in mind that like all four softwares, Filebeat, Logstash, Kibana, and Elasticsearch should have a same version. Like if you are downloading a 6.8, then all four software should have a version 6.8. So suppose you have downloaded a Filebeat of 8.2, please prefer to download 8.2 of all software. Logstash 8.2, Kibana 8.2, Elasticsearch 8.2. If you have downloaded a 6.8, then please prefer to download 6.8 version of all the software. Filebeat 6.8, Logstash 6.8, Kibana 6.8, and Elasticsearch 6.8. So don't mix like you have downloaded 8.2 of Filebeat and you are 6 and you are using the 6.2 of Logstash. So try to prefer or try to use same version of all the softwares. So this is the personal load, I mean, based on my experience. So so now just I have also highlighted here, I developed one application, I worked on application where I created a ELK application to monitor the Spring Boot log. For that I used this component and this software 6.8.1. So here Filebeat 6.8.1, Logstash 6.8.1, Elasticsearch 6.8.13. So you can see I have preferred to download the same major release like 6.8 only. So try to prefer the same version. You try to use prefer to use the same version of all the softwares. That's all for this session. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.